We live in a world governed by rules. These rules, known as laws, shape our behavior and interactions. Understanding where these laws come from is crucial for navigating our complex society. It's like understanding the stars. The more we know, the clearer our picture of the universe becomes. Knowing the sources of law empowers us. It allows us to understand our rights, our obligations, and the mechanisms of justice. Just as we study the origins of celestial bodies, we must study the origins of our legal systems. Sources of law are the roots from which our legal principles grow. They are the authoritative foundations upon which our system of justice is built. Like the fundamental forces of physics, they govern the legal landscape. Imagine a grand library filled with legal texts. These texts, along with established customs and judicial pronouncements, constitute the sources of law. They provide the blueprint for our legal system. Statutory law refers to laws enacted by legislative bodies, such as Parliament or Congress. These laws are formally codified and written down, much like the inscriptions on ancient tablets. Take, for example, the Highway Code. This set of laws, created by a legislative body, dictates the rules of the road speed limits, traffic signals, and right-of-way. These written rules ensure order and safety on our roads. Another example is tax legislation. These laws, passed by governments, determine how income is levied and collected. They form a crucial part of any functioning state. Section 4. The wisdom of experience case law. Case law, also known as common law, emerges from judicial decisions made in previous cases. It's a body of legal principles built over time, much like how scientific knowledge grows through observation and experimentation. Imagine a landmark ruling where a court interprets a law in a novel way. This interpretation sets a precedent, guiding future courts in similar cases. This is the essence of case law. A famous example is the case of Donoghue v. Stevenson in 1932. This case established the principle of negligence in product liability, influencing countless legal cases afterwards. Section 5. Traditions that bind customary law. Customary law arises from long-standing traditions and practices of a community. These customs, observed over generations, become ingrained in the fabric of society, much like the patterns etched into ancient rock formations. Consider, for example, indigenous communities who have managed their resources sustainably for centuries based on unwritten customary laws. These customs, passed down through generations, embody their values and beliefs. Another example is international maritime law. Many of its principles originated from centuries-old maritime customs, demonstrating the enduring influence of customary law. Section 6. The foundation of our rights. Understanding the sources of law is not just an academic exercise, it's about understanding the foundation of our rights and freedoms. Just as astronomers study the cosmos to comprehend our place in the universe, we must study law to understand our place in society. By comprehending statutory law, case law, and customary law, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and evolution of our legal systems. This knowledge empowers us to engage critically with the laws that govern us.